Open AI. Welcome back to another episode of Broken Mirror, guys. If you've been here, then you know that we've been working on the Audi and trying to finish it up. And we just did. I ended up getting the stereo back in, putting in all the seats, all the interior. Everything is done in the car. I've been test driving it. But that scene was taped after this next scene that I want to bring you to. I went back to an auction. I got, I believe, better footage. I still have to go review and edit it and make sure that's better. But right now I want to take you to there and kind of fill you in what happened. Okay guys, this is the car I came to look at. It is pretty shot and it has that very vibrant green smell that I had to work on the Cadillac. The nice part is this has 58,000 miles. I believe it's a 2016 Jeep Compass. It does have something weird going on with the AC. Check engine light on. It sounds pretty good running, but it is beat to crap. Okay, here's the next one that I'm looking at. This is a Chevy pickup. It's got 91,000 miles. It's a 2015. The problem I'm feeling is that there's a misfire. Transmission's solid. It's already been cleaned. It's been pretty well maintained, but the body's been messed with. It's got extended fenders. It's been lifted. It's got the brush guard bumper. This was definitely an off-roader. Probably someone in the desert. Side pipe exhaust. Any hits? The brush guard's never been hit, so that's a good sign. So maybe it's just a guy who acts like he goes off-road. That could actually be good for the sale of it. Just some frame damage. That's supposed to be straight. I mean, luckily it's on the back. I don't know how bad it'd be tweaked. It looks like there's some more up there. That little kink in that round bar. Right where that hole's drilled, looks like it might get a hit again. Yeah, she might be walking left a little bit. Okay, this is the last one that I'm looking at. This is a 2018 Nissan Altima, 97,000 miles. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells disgusting. Just someone who was not a clean person was in this car. Car looks decent, but smells horrible. Definitely some green smells in here as well. She runs strong, so this will probably go for good money. Does need a windshield, rear quarter panel repaired. Yeah, but this is probably gonna go for about 10 grand at least. I don't think I'm gonna be able to afford this one. Yeah, Nissans here go absurdly. All the tires are bald, door needs to be repainted. Yeah, I'm gonna watch, but I doubt I'll be able to bid on this one. I think that's it, guys. I was looking at a few other ones, but there was a Beamer that I was checking out. Can't pop the hood, battery's dead. It's had a lot of body work done. Just doesn't appear to be a good fit. I think that thing's been stripped and rebuilt a few times.
What you guys want to pay to get it down to the downtown son? And get it down, get it downtown, get it downtown, get it downtown, get it downtown, sit down, and get it downtown. We get 7 pounds, you get it 7 10 out of the 2, and get it 10 10, get it 10 10, get it 5 pounds on there out of the 2, and get it 5 pounds, get it 10 there, take it there down, 55 on the down there down 7, get it 7, get it 7.
Okay guys, I believe I just bought the black Compass that went through. I ended up turning it down because they were trying to get 55, 6 grand. They ran it back again and I got excited, so I forgot to record, but they accepted my offer of 4 grand. The company's representative is here. She gave me the thumbs up that she would take it. So I just bought the 2015 or 16 Compass with 58,000 miles for like 4 grand plus some fees. Trying to pay them. I got to wait a few minutes for her to get done selling the other cars, and then I'm going to go in and hopefully pay the bill and take this thing home. I do have to check quick. I hope the title is present. I forgot to search. I believe it is. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I don't know where that ended. I believe I ended on the note that I had put in an offer for 4 grand on the Jeep Compass, and I don't think I told you that they came back to me with a different offer. They wanted 5,500. I just couldn't go that high. Didn't make sense. In the end, after like a day of negotiating, I got it for 5 grand. The adjusted MMR in its condition said it was worth 10 right now. I believe I can get it to be worth about 12, 13. It's probably going to be about $1,000 worth of parts. So I'll probably have about 6 grand into it, and I might be able to get 12 on it, and then there's some registration back fee. So I'll probably get around 11. So I might make about 5, maybe 6 grand out of the car, hopefully. It is going to be a lot of work. There's a lot of green smell, but I'm already kind of thinking about how I can do this more efficiently and faster. I think I'm just going to rip the interior, bring the rugs down to the car wash and power wash them out, power wash the seats out, let them dry for a few days. I think there's a lot faster ways that I can make this happen this time. But unfortunately, because of transferring money and everything, they don't allow for you to pick up the vehicle until like 4 days after the transfer happened or something like that. So I can't pick it up until next week's video. So for right now, I want to sheetrock this place. I mentioned in the last video that I need to sheetrock everything and get it ready before the next flip. There's a lot of work here. So I'm gonna head down to Lowe's, and I would at least like to get this wall done this episode. Hopefully I can get both done. It's already getting a little late in the day, and I still gotta take all this stuff off the walls to put the sheetrock back on the walls, and then, you know, mud and paint and all that. So it's gonna be a long day. I'm gonna get started. Okay, I am back from Lowe's. I ended up having to rent a truck, which is pretty reasonable. It's like, it was $19 for an hour and a half, which worked out perfect. It was enough for me to get here, unload, bring it back. Really good deal, really cheap. So anyway, I am finally back. Now I want to get started. I don't know if some of you guys kind of realize this or had this point in your life where you realize you're getting old. I can't believe how weak I feel, and it happened right in that moment of unloading that truck where I just accepted that I'm older. Crazy how weak I feel and what I used to be able to do. It's kind of weird feeling, realization. Anyway, what I want to do right now is I want to start removing stuff on this wall, probably up until about the shelves. We'll see if I get to the shelves area, but I would like to remove stuff off this wall and then start just throwing up sheetrock. Okay, well, as you can tell, I did not get all the walls done, but I did get a lot done. So I was able to get that whole side done. It's crazy how much brighter it already is in here without painting anything, just how much these walls eat up the light. I can actually watch on my camera how much light is on each side. That's nuts. Anyway, ended up tackling this one. This one was a little hard, kind of got a little teary, and I probably should have cut it the other way instead of the back way forward, but oh well. I do have to plaster everything, and I think I'm gonna finish up this section probably while you guys are watching this video on Sunday. I still have to get everything out of these walls, take down the toolbox. I don't know, that thing's gonna be heavy. I gotta empty it probably. So just a lot of little things. I want to raise this workbench up a little bit, so I have to raise all the backboards up a little bit. Also, I can put these garbage cans out of the way under there. And then all these tools and everything are gonna go on shelves on this side, which will make things a lot easier. But I'm trying to get all this done before I get the Jeep on Monday. So I would like to do the plaster, the taping, the painting, the rest of this sheetrock before that Monday. So with that said, I'm gonna start editing this video so you guys can get a chance to watch it so I can keep working. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you then. Later, guys.